Hi, welcome back. My name is Masha and this is Marshmallow Yoga. And today we have a whole practice dedicated to breath. Breath really helps you anchor in the moment and notice how you're feeling. Become aware of the sensation in your body, dropping into your body, taking that moment for yourself. And I'm going to guide you through a breathwork session that doesn't feel like any work, that feels very relaxing in the end. And to be honest, this is one of the favorite parts. All of my students love this part of the practice. So we're just gonna get into our comfortable position, whatever that looks like, laying down, sitting up, sitting on the couch, in the chair, leaning back. And we're gonna close our eyes here, bringing one hand onto your belly, one hand onto the chest. Taking a big breath in through the nose and exhaling out through open lips. Whether you are in a reclined position or sitting up, we're gonna move shoulders down the back and away from the ears, gently squeezing shoulder blades together, inviting a little bit more length in the spine. Inhaling in through the nose, exhaling out through open lips. And as you do that, let your facial muscles drop, let your eyelids relax, let your jaw, cheeks, and lips relax. Inhaling in through the nose, exhaling out through open lips. A couple more breaths like that, noticing the inhale expanding underneath your palms, expanding the belly and chest. And exhale, softening and releasing. Noticing the natural pattern of your breath today, whether it's deep or shallow. Maybe you notice that you feel very activated, the nervous system is not calm, you're thinking about something. Just try to bring your attention back to the breath. No judgment. And you notice yourself drifting away. Bring attention back to the breath. And we're going to release the hands for now, taking another deep breath in, this time directing it all the way down into your lower belly. Feeling your lower belly and lower back expand. Relaxing your belly muscles, relaxing muscles around your glutes and thighs, sending your breath all the way down into your pelvic floor. Exhale out to release. Next breath, inhaling all the way into your lower belly. And then expanding into the rib cage as well. Here you can use your hands around the rib cage to feel your ribs open out to the sides. Exhale out to release. Feel the gentle coming together of the ribs at the front. One more time. Inhaling to fill up the belly. And then up into the rib cage, opening to the sides. Exhaling out to release. And next breath, inhaling into the belly, the ribs, and then chest and shoulders. Full body breath. Exhale everything out to release. Notice if you're holding on to little bits of air, try to squeeze all the air out. One more time, inhaling into the belly, lower back, expanding into the ribs, front and back, side to side. And then the chest and shoulders, shoulder blades back, As you exhale, start with the chest, emptying the chest, then the ribs, and then the belly. And we're coming into a full 3-part yogic breath here. Inhaling into the belly, the ribs, chest, and then exhaling, starting from the top, chest, ribs, and the belly. And we'll do 3 more of those. Try to make it one smooth breath, combining all 3 parts into one. Inhaling belly, ribs, and chest. Noticing full body expansion. Taking a little bit more air in at the top. And exhaling everything out, chest, ribs, and belly. Taking another breath in through the nose, natural breath. Letting go of the manipulation of the breath. Exhaling out. Relaxing all the muscles in the body, relaxing your hips, your arms. Hands are resting on your thighs. Noticing the breath traveling in through the nose, down your throat, into the lungs. And then exhaling, coming back up out of the open lips. And now we're going to move into alternate nostril breathing. You can take a look as to how it's going to look like before you start the breathing. We're going to use our big thumb to close off our right nostril, right hand, right big thumb to close our right nostril. And then we're going to use our ring or pinky finger to switch. All right, so inhaling through one nostril and then switch, exhale through the other. Inhale through the right. And then switch, exhale through the left. All right, so let's set it up. We'll take an inhale through both nostrils. Exhale through both nostrils. And then close off the right with the big thumb. Inhale through the left. And switch, exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. And switch, exhale left. Inhale left. Switch, exhale right. Inhale right. Switch, exhale left. Inhale left, notice the air travel into the left lung, left side of the body. Switch, exhale right. Inhale right. Switch, exhale left. We'll do a couple more rounds. Inhale left. Switch, exhale right. Inhale right. Notice the right side fill up with air. Switch, exhale left. Inhale left. Switch, exhale right. 2 more. Inhale right. Trying to slow down the breath, take a little bit more air in, holding breath at the top. Switch, exhale left. And inhale left. Slow, deep breath, taking a little bit more air in at the top. Hold the breath, release the nostril. Hold the breath at the top. Relax the shoulders down, relax the throat, the tongue. See how long you can hold the breath naturally without overextending it. Maybe it's a little bit longer than you would think. And when you feel the need for the fresh air, exhale everything out. Inhale in. New fresh breath. Exhale everything out, and we're gonna hold one more time at the bottom. Exhale, squeeze all the air out. Hold the breath. Relax the throat. Relax the shoulders. And when you need, take the breath in, breath out, coming back to your natural rhythm of breath, noticing if there's any changes in how you're breathing already. We are 2/3 through our practice. And the next and final breathing exercise is going to be a boxed breathing. So we're going to inhale for a count of 4. We're going to hold the breath for a count of 4, exhale for a count of 4, and then hold the breath for a count of 4. So it's 4, 4, 4, 4. And you can continue to keep your eyes closed. One set of breath to reset. Inhale in through the nose. Exhale out through the mouth. We'll inhale for 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hold the breath 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, and 4. Hold the breath 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the breath 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it 2, 3, and 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hold the breath 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold the breath 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Hold the breath 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold the breath 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Last round. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Hold the breath 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale in through the nose. Exhale out through open lips. Taking a moment here to notice how you're feeling and how your breath is feeling. Appreciating the nervous system relaxation. If you have a little bit more time to just sit here and enjoy, taking a couple more conscious breaths. Notice how this practice helps you drop down into the body. Right, mindfulness practice isn't always about consciously keeping your thoughts away. It's about learning the tools and techniques that can help you do that. Because realistically, we all have very busy lives. Meditation isn't something that comes easy to most people. So there's no expectation for you to be able to just drop from your head into the body like that. But if you notice, conscious breathing and spending a little bit of time on your breath does help to do that. Right, so stay here if you'd like for a couple more moments. You can bring hands on chest, one hand on chest, one hand on the belly. Just noticing your breath and your body underneath your palms, taking a moment to appreciate everything that it does for you on a daily basis. And thank you for joining me today. I hope you had a wonderful practice. Namaste.